YouTube, what is up? I'm Ashley. Welcome to my channel. Ooh, I'm looking a little rough right now, but as you can tell by the title of this video, we're about to change that. Bear with me. This is my first video on YouTube, so welcome. Thank you for watching. And we're gonna fix this mess. So keep watching if you want to learn how to slay your clip-ins. So hey guys, so this is me before, and what you need to start is a rat tail comb, a brush, a wide tooth comb for detangling, and a flat iron. And to start off, I didn't like the style that I was rocking at the moment. It was just kind of toe up. Anyway, so I decided to redo them. So what I'm doing is taking them out one by one. This is a set of, I think, about 8 clips. I think like 8 clips. So I'm taking them out one by one until I reach the last one, which I am taking out right here. I think it's like the medium size one. Anyway, I'm just setting those aside until they're ready for me. And I also took out the braids in the front of my head. So what I'm doing to start off is making a part in the middle of my ear. I like to part it there because that's how I've mapped it out, and that's what works best for me, so that they fit comfortably in my head. So first part is pretty much always in the middle of my ear, and I get it as straight as possible because for me, the straighter the part is, the more comfortable they sit in your head, and the more like undetectable they are when people touch your head. So yeah, and now I'm putting my hair up in a ponytail to get all the hair out of the way and to make sure no loose hairs get snagged in the clips. And this is how straight I got my part, just to show you guys that. And so what I'm doing now is taking my flat iron and I'm running that through my hair a few times just to get it nice and straight so it'll blend better. And then I'm taking the track and I'm taking that wide tooth comb and I'm detangling it from bottom to top, because if you don't do it from bottom to top, the hair, if it's tangled, then it can snag the hair and make it shed a lot, and I don't need my tracks to shed. So bottom to top, and then I'm flat ironing it to get it nice and straight so that it'll blend with my hair better. And now I'm just taking each snap. I think this has 3 clips, and I'm snapping that right into that part right along it, and this is what it looks like from behind, and I'm just tapping it to make sure it's secure. Now I'm starting the second part. So I took my hair out of the bun and I'm parting it, my hair a little bit above my ear. Once again, this is just how I've mapped it out, since I've done this 100 times to make them all fit. I'm putting the longest track here. It has 4 clips, and I'm just detangling that and flat ironing it to get it nice and straight for blending purposes. And now I'm just snapping each clip along the part, and this is what that looks like from behind. Ooh, inches, girl, work, yes. Anyway, I just went ahead, you guys know the routine, and I just finished the rest of my head. Okay, here I am feeling like a whole new person, you know. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you subscribe and comment below what you guys want to see me do. Like, help a sister out, okay? Anyway, I hope to see you guys next time. All right, bye.